In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Yahoo email as PDF. This is a simple, reliable way to archive important messages, share them as documents, or store receipts and confirmations without keeping them in your inbox forever. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. From the search results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. Sign in with your account details as you normally would. If you use more than one account, make sure you're in the right mailbox for the message you want to save. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, open the specific email you want to turn into a PDF. Take a moment to confirm it includes everything you need, like the full conversation, images you want to keep visible, and any important details in the body of the message. Remember, attachments are separate files. Saving as a PDF captures the email content, not the attached documents. Next, look for the print option. You'll usually find a small printer icon near the top of the message. If you don't see it, click the More Options icon, often shown as 3 dots or lines, and choose Print from the menu. This tells Yahoo to prepare a clean version of your message for printing or saving. A print preview window will appear, showing just the email content, free from menus, ads, and sidebars. This is exactly what will be saved to your PDF. Scroll through to make sure everything looks right. Images, links, and formatting should all be intact. In the print dialog that opens, locate the destination or printer field. Click it and select Save as PDF or Export as PDF from the list. Depending on your browser and operating system, you might also see options labeled Print to PDF or a similar choice. Any of these will create a PDF instead of sending the email to a physical printer. Now click the Save button. You'll be prompted to choose where to store the file on your computer. Pick a familiar location like your desktop or documents so it's easy to find later. Give the file a clear name, something like the sender, subject, and date, so you can recognize it at a glance. Click Save Again to finish. Your email is now preserved as a PDF, ready to share, store, or back up. That's all there is to it. If you repeat this process for other emails, you'll have a consistent, clean set of PDFs that mirror exactly what you saw in your inbox.